How to stop receiving email from Reddit? If you want to know it, you've come to the right place. If you want to stop receiving email from Reddit, you can manage your email preferences either through the Reddit website or the mobile app. Here's how to do it. All you need to do is just simply click on your account icon in the top right corner, find settings, and here you need to click on general settings. Once you've done that, you need to find your contact settings and click on manage emails, and now just simply turn off every notification you want to turn off. So for example, I don't want to get on my email notifications about private messages, so I will turn it off, and also about comments on my posts, so I will turn it off like that. And that's all. You can turn off everything, and you won't get getting notifications on your email. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.